Hi, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and thank you for spending a little time with me. So today I'm going to be talking to you about the healthy benefits that we can get from lemons and the lemon peels. Yes, the lemons and the lemon peels. So I just wanted to, so much I wrote it down, so I'm going to read it to you so that you can hear all the benefits, because I think some of those benefits you may be able to receive the benefits from, maybe all, who knows. Okay, so let me just give you a little education that I came across, and we're going to actually try it. So I've already cut, I have a total of 16 lemons. I bought 2 bags of lemons, and it was about 8 in a bag, but you can buy them any way you need to buy them, loose, in a bag, whatever, it doesn't matter. And you can make as much as you want. It's up to you, okay? All right, so I already cut up 16, I cut up 14 lemons already, and I tried to get I cut it into 4 pieces, and I tried to get as many seeds as I could physically see out. You may not get them all, it's not the end of the world, okay, but try to get as much as you can see out, okay? And then we're gonna put it in a food processor and let the food processor do the work of grinding down the lemon. So we're gonna put them in quarters, and we're gonna see how that goes. And after that, we're gonna put them in ice trays, because that's the way it's recommended that you preserve it. All right, so here are the benefits of a lemon and its peels. It gives you vitamin C, vitamin A, beta carotene, folate, fiber, calcium, magnesium, potassium, which keeps the blood pressure in check. How about that? Now we need something to keep the blood pressure in check. The lemon peels eradicate the toxin elements in the body, so it takes all the toxins out your body. How about that? It gives a natural boost. That means like boost your immune system, and when you do that, you feel much better, and it helps fight off colds and that sort of thing, right? I mean, come on now. Well, we're gonna go and get that nowhere. It improves bone health. Wow. You know, as you get older, your bones get more fragile, and what are we eating or taking on a regular basis to improve our bones so that they're not fragile, right? It regulates the body pH system. It helps with weight loss. Wow, weight loss, okay? It can fight cancer up to 50%. I'm going to repeat that one. It can fight cancer up to 50%. So you're going to freeze store to maintain the antioxidants and essential oils. So you got to freeze it, okay? Help with the heart. Now, if you can get something to help with the heart, you can help prevent heart attacks, right? Help with the cholesterol. Wow, help with cholesterol. Can you believe it? Okay, can also help in creative effects and disease like tumors, tumor locus, blood pressure, thyroid, arthritis, kidney stones, and inflammation. Okay, I think I pronounced the second word wrong. It's tuberculosis. So I'm going to repeat this part again. It can help in curative effects in disease like tumors, tuberculosis, blood pressure, thyroid, arthritis. How many people suffer with arthritis? Kidney stones and inflammation. You know, inflammation, if you have that in your body, then you have pain, because the fluids pushes up against our muscles and causes pain, right? Lemon zest can improve insulin resistance for diabetes. So when you grind it up, now you have a lemon zest along with the lemon juice, and that can help with the insulin resistance for diabetes. So that can help with diabetes. Help control levels of blood sugar. Wow, how many diabetics out there? I'm one, and we need some help to control diabetes, right? The blood sugar needs to have something that we're eating to help, along with the medicine that you may be taking to control the diabetes. Okay? All right, so I'm gonna adjust the camera and we're gonna get started, shall we? Okay, thank you. Okay, so I'm back. So I left 2 lemons that I'm going to show you how to cut. So I have 2 lemons here. Okay, let me see if I can go the right directions for the camera. Okay, here we go. And so I'm going to show you how to cut it. So we're going to cut each end off. Okay, each end is off. And so we're going to cut it once and then turn it and cut it again, so you end up with 4 pieces. So you got 4 quarters, right? Okay, so now go right down the middle and just push in on it, trying to get the seeds out. Okay, get as much as you can see out. You're not going to be able to see them all, because sometimes the seeds are hidden within. Okay, and so we're going to do the second lemon now. Cut the end off. Set it flat on the part that you cut off. Cut it twice so that you end up with 4 quarters. Okay, and go right down, and hopefully the seeds will pop out. Okay, and we have 1 more to go. Okay, so I'm just going to show you a couple. This is how it looks when we have the seeds out. Okay, all right, so we're going to rinse these off, and I'm going to add them to the rest of them that I already rinsed off. Okay, when you rinse it off, you want to rub the outer side just to make sure that you're getting any dirt or particles or anything like that off, okay? Okay, and I'm going to move this out the way. All right. So now, this is my food processor. I talked about this before, but it's worth talking about again. It's a good idea to get a food processor, because when you have a food processor, you can utilize it to cut up potatoes, or make French fries, or shred things, or chop things, or in this case we're gonna grate the lemons. So it has a lot of good use that could save you some time and energy. Okay, all right, especially onions. People don't like to cook onions because it makes you cry. All right, so I'm just going to grab some. They're in just regular water, and I'm going to put some in here. Not too many. Okay, we've got that halfway filled. All right, and I'm going to put that on. And I'm just going to let you know ahead of time, it makes a lot of noise. A food processor makes a lot of noise. So we're going to turn this on and let it grind down. I have to show you while it's on so that you can see what's going on. Okay, here we go. Oh, it would help if I plug it in, huh? Okay. I'm trying to plug it in. That was not a good idea. Okay. When I had pressed the on button, usually that don't activate unless it's plugged in, but that activated. Okay, so no harm done, just a mistake. Okay, so here we go. We're going to turn it on again. And you want to hit the off button occasionally to kind of see what's going on. Okay, it's not all broken up. All right, I want to do a little more. It's almost where I want it to be. Okay, so let's take a look. Okay. Let me show you what it looks like. As you can see, you can't even tell. Ah, there's a seed. You see that? You might get some. Okay, you can't even tell where the peeling and the lemon separate. It looks all one. That's very interesting, isn't it? Okay, so I think this is about the consistency that we want it to be grated down to. Here's another seed. So you might have a lot of seeds. So this is what I'm going to suggest so that we can see if we have seeds. Put it on something. I got a white tray here. Put it on something white and spread it out so that you can see if you have seeds. Here's the third seed. Okay? And work through that process. Alright? So I'm going to do that and then I'll be back to show you how to put them in the ice trays. Okay? Alright, I'll be right back. Okay. So I got all the seeds out. I put it on here and a little at a time and I spread it out until I didn't see any more seeds. Okay, so this is what we're looking at. It's thick, very thick. Okay, it's not runny or anything. So now we're going to tray it up and some ice trays. If you don't have any ice trays, you can do the little small sandwich storage bags or whatever way you want to freeze yours up. You need it if you want to put them in containers or whatever, but the easiest way is ice trays if you have it. Okay, so we're just going to put it in. No special order. And the reason why we're putting it in the ice tray so we can pop it out like it's ice. And the good part about it is you can put it in soup. You can put it in a glass and make lemonade. You can put it in vegetables and cook with it. Whatever way you want to incorporate it, as long as you have some, at least, if you can, 3 times a day. If you can't, do the best you can, okay? Because some is better than none, but it recommends that you have some at least 3 times a day. You know, maybe you can have it twice a day. Maybe you can have like a glass of lemonade in the morning, which would curb the appetite, and you can have some when you come home, or you can put it over your salad, or however you think you can do it. By all means, do it. The health benefits are incredible. Play this video back and write down all the benefits, okay? And so that you'll know, so when you start bragging to other people the benefits, and in case you forget, you'll know what it's doing for you. Okay, so this is what I got so far. I gotta grind down some more to complete the tray, and then I'm gonna put it in the freezer. Okay, so it's as simple as that. Okay, All right, so you've seen the process. I can sign off now. So just think, something healthy this time, right? It's not always about cooking, but it is always about food and what we put into ourselves and the benefits we get from that. All right? Okay, so this is Grandma Ray Don't Play. I'm Rachel, and don't forget to check out the links below. I got something for you, okay? Maybe you're interested in some products from Amazon. All right, don't forget to subscribe, and remember, I love you, and the word of the day is tell somebody else you love them too, okay? They want to hear it. They haven't heard it in a while. You should do that. Do that more often, okay? Because people need to know, so that when they feel down, that they feel like somebody cares. Somebody loves them. All right? Okay, keep it real. Bye-bye.